is érkeztünk a megígért Watch Dogs 2-s videóval. A Xbox van. Kezdjük is el. Ok. Ja. Még nem játszottam vele, csak azért volt az, hogy folytatás, mert véletlen megnyomtam a új játékot, de rögtön kiléptem. Mindjárt be is na. CTOs. Bloom CTOs server from San Francisco. Igen, San Francisco-ba játszódik a játék. Na, itt vagyunk Markusszal.
Consider this your 10-sec initiation retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit, and I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
Oh.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to
Hát
send
Assassin's Creed-es
you
a
like it.
irányítása egy kicsit. Ott van valaki. Oktatóanyag, rejtőzés. Itt le kell jönni.
Hang on.
Ja. Hol van az a pénz? Ja, ott. Ja. Oda fel. Nem nagyon tudom kinyitni. Már le. Akkor... Ja. Kinyitottuk. Ó, szaltó. Na, bent vagyunk.
You're wasting your time.
Most, ha jól tudom, belopózunk egy szerverbázisba, ahol ki
He's not
fogjuk
in.
törölni az adatunkat.
Gotcha.
Itt vagyunk.
So that's him.
He's got a gun. Is that a problem?
Well, problems are why you keep
Holloway
me around.
Marcus a nevünk a játékba.
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
No idea.
Nuh-uh. No synonyms either. Give me a real answer.
I'm just not that into aliens or video games.
It's not just any alien. It's
Oh, come on. Anyone else having a problem with their phone? What? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Na, azzal a kis valaminkkel. Jó, vagy mi az? Azzal így.
Who is he?
It's retro.
The home domain awareness hacker? That retro?
Yes.
Vagy
I told you
vagyunk.
that already?
Yeah, I never listened.
Ja. Meghackeltem.
So what's his deal?
He was raised in Oakland, but was born in...
His deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC, and he's got cred. Figured we'd give
Itt
him a test drive.
felmegyünk.
on the hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
Itt kell följönni. Jaj.
He's in! I'm taking fire! Come on, give yourself up!
Jaj. Ah.
So what's his deal?
He was raised in Oakland, but was born in...
His deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC, and he's got cred. Figured we'd give him a test drive.
on the hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
Give yourself up! Finding cover! Watch your back!
megvannak. Na, ide kell jönni.
Go look over there. He's done this before.
CTOS tagged him as the prime suspect in a high-tech burglary, so...
He's done time?
Community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system.
Always in the system.
Holy shit! He went for it.
You won't have much time before the backups kick in.
Look over there, I got
Track him
the
down.
Szóval itt van, ugye?
What the hell?
Ha jól tudom, most elővesz, ugye bemegy. És
He's going in
elővesz
the hot aisle.
It's at least 120 degrees in there.
elővesz egy laptopot, vagy nem tudom. Notebook vagy laptop.
Give the man props.
A
He's going the mile.
laptopot fog majd elővenni. Nagyon melege van, látszik.
He's in the system.
Nobody's gotten that far. This is like the secret cow level.
Hogy menjek én be oda? Ja, itt. Ez kell elsőben. Na, letöröljük a profilunkat.
What the fuck? Why's my threat so high? This is bullshit. Fuck. Or I could just...
Ha itt válasz ki, manuálisan. Ez.
Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later.
Megerősítés.
Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah.
Ethan's out cold. We got an intruder. Lock down the exit and send someone to check him out.
Achievement. Hekkelés. Okay.
Check your corners.
No, lehet
providers, we can offer large discounts to responsible drivers. Car owners will voluntarily install CTOS devices to help us monitor traffic, help with law enforcement, and to provide emergency services. With CTOS 2.0, you can expect less speeding, less traffic congestion, and fewer accidents. And in the case of a major emergency, the CTOS can be granted limited control over the car itself.
Hold it right there.
Help him.
Where the fuck am I go?
Josh! Okay.
Hello.
Fuck you, Bloom!
Most így oh.
In 2013,
Realness,
Chicago
reality.
realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense? Freedom's last line of defense.
Na most visszaemlékeztünk a 2013-as évre, ami hát a Watch Dogs 1.
So,
Hogy abban mi történt, és hogy most mi történt. Mert Chicagóban játszódott a Watch Dogs 1.
I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
yo, you're Hot Sauce? Yo, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit.
Na, buli van. Itt buli van itt a Golden híd, vagy nem tudom milyen híd. Neve a Gold híd. Annyit tudok, hogy valami Golden híd alatt.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No, sledgehammers on the fire.
All of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck.
Jól néz ki a játék.
Hold on. You what?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Na.
Hey, man. Do you got the time?
Oh, yeah, man.
I got it.
It's kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Have a good party.
King, this motherfucker.
Most mi van? Rosszul vagyunk.
Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Na. Most valami bulin voltunk, most mi lesz, hát nem tudom. Na, valami bulin vagyunk, az Ubisoft bemutatja.
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it out.
Hacker tanya.
Whose place am I in?
Na, ott van valaki. Végezre. Na, San Francisco. Na, itt vagyunk San Franciscóban.
Damn. I guess I was lit, huh?
Like Mardi Gras. Go get yourself something to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next. Oh, and you'll need your phone ready for operations. So hit the store and download your apps before you get here.
Damn, walk of shame on my first day.
Mivel lehet elrakni a fegyvert? Ja.
Hey, I know you see me.
Ja. Inkább most elrakom. Na, mit kell? Telepítsd a Maps alkalmazást a telefonodra. Alkalmazásból Nudle térkép. Jó. Telepítés. Oh. Minden. Na hát ez a videó ennyi is lett volna, ha tetszett, iratkozzatok föl és lájkoljatok. Sziasztok!